We have a group agent and who hooks us up with large, 40 to 80 seats a game, and we'll do 3 of the big group games.
Yeah.
For the year. We'll get a bus from California Wine Tours. I have to plug them because they've been very kind to provide that for us, and we have a blast. We get up early and all go down there and party hardy.
For the very first Gamer Babe Day.
I ran into Debbie Escarina. She goes, "I'm a Gamer Babe." I go, yeah, Debbie. So, right on. So you guys have quite the following now, and it seems like your group is getting larger. So
it is,
you
but
guys are gonna be
it's
doing great
controlled.
things.
It's a controlled growth because we want to still make sure that everybody knows each other. and
Right.
We've really bonded well with a lot
Don't
of
you miss the
people.
chef's market?
We
Yes.
do.
We do.
So,
Yeah.
but you guys we can catch you in different events. I know they're going to have a lot of events during the summertime. Maybe you guys will have a booth there too.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, we can talk to Julie.
Julie Morales
Yeah,
is a gamer babe.
Oh, she is?
She is.
Oh, there's your contact right
That's
there.
right.
All right, there you
Yeah,
go.
she helps us
right
out.
there, connection.
She's our
Okay,
hookup.
Julie. Yeah, Julie's husband Tony was our sports guy for a couple of years. So yeah, I love those guys.
Great.
Just got back from Hawaii.
I know.
Thanks to Facebook. Yeah.
Yep, and we're in Kiwanis together.
So if I was friending you guys on Facebook, you would accept my friendship?
We are friends.
Oh, we are. Okay, well, I just thought we're not the female thing there, only women only,
Yeah, well, you can't be in our
page,
but
on
you
the
did try to join our group.
Well, yeah, then I got a response
did?
for women only. I go, yeah, you're so rude the way you typed it, for women, all in capital letters. I go, okay.
In caps.
Texting and typing.
At least you got that. You should have seen what I got.
Boston translation.
Gosh, yeah. When everything's in capital letters, I go, wow.
Well, you got to have boundaries.
Yeah, you gotta have boundaries. So, do you ladies, what do you do on the side? Do you work?
Yes.
What do you guys do? For a living? If I can ask. I can ask. What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse. All right. Hey, let's hear for the nurses. All right.
I'm a cookie artist.
A cookie artist.
Oh,
What's a wait?
fantastic.
What in the hell is a cookie artist?
He's an awesome cookie.
I take beautiful sugar cookies and paint them
Really?
works of art.
Amazing.
Did you bring any?
No.
No,
thanks.
no, I'm done baking right now.
All right. How about you?
I'm a travel agent at AAA here in town.
Travel agent. Orale. All right.
Oh, I
You
have
already
my own
went
microphone.
Diane is a hairdresser.
I'm a hairstylist. I've been a hairstylist in Napa for 30 years.
Really? All right. Cool. Maybe you can do my hair on TV one of these days.
I would
okay?
love to.
Free.
Just let me
Orale,
know.
all right.
Sure.
And I own Grape Leaf Graphics
And you
in Napa.
Yeah.
And then I also started an online clothing store called Gamer Babe Your Town,
Right on.
which customizes shirts for people wherever they are.
Yeah. And I just happened to stop by your shop, and that's where I met you and your husband.
That's right.
As a matter of fact, our other sponsors, you know Terry and Nat DeVries at the Sanorama?
Yeah.
They're one of our sponsors.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so they're good people.
Awesome.
Well, I look at the clock. See, time just flies when you're having
is.
fun,
I can't believe
Is
it.
there anything that you would like to tell our 1.5 million viewers in closing before we say goodbye?
The Giants.
Go Giants!
Giants, it's an even year. Even year.
Even
So,
years. All right.
Yes.
So where can we catch
Join
you
the
guys
Gamer
again?
Babes.
Tell us more about this big event with the girls softball league. It's going to be in your
it's
office?
just in our office. It's a private
Oh, it's private.
presentation.
You just took all the
sorry.
fun out. People are supposed to get involved.
You know, Artie, I knew they were going to use that excuse so it was an even year.
I'm telling
I
you.
knew
We
it.
didn't want you to come.
But you know what? I'm known to crash parties.
Oh, cool.
Okay?
Yeah.
With a name like Artie Party, I got.
That's right.
Yeah, I got the free pass.
Yeah, but we'll be posting some other events throughout the year.
Awesome, and we welcome you back anytime you want. If you guys want to promote.
Great.
Wonderful. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
So we want to
Thank
thank you
you.
for your time, for
Thank
being
you
here.
very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Merry
Everybody,
Christmas.
give it up for the Gamer Babes of Napa Valley. There you go. I love that. Okay, I love it when white people say "Orale." All right.
Orderly.
No, keep working on that. Let's take a break.